Have you ever defied the gods and paid it a terrible price? Gather around and let me tell you the haunting tale of Niobe, the proud queen of Thebes. Niobe was blessed with 14 children, 7 sons and 7 daughters, and she boasted of her motherhood, proudly challenging Leto, the goddess of motherhood, who had only 2 children, the twin deities Apollo and Artemis. Niobe mocked Leto, claiming her superiority, igniting the wrath of the gods. Infuriated by her hubris, Apollo and Artemis took revenge for their mother's honor. One fateful day, they descended upon Thebes, wielding their deadly bows. The sons of Niobe fell one by one, each arrow a cruel reminder of her arrogance. As for her daughters, they met the same fate, falling before the swift arrows of Artemis. Grief-stricken and shattered, Niobe was left alone, a mother mourning her slain children. In her despair, she was transformed into stone, forever weeping for her lost ones. This poignant tale whispers a timeless warning. Pride can lead to devastating consequences, and the gods will not tolerate those who dare to challenge their dominion. Niobe's story echoes through the ages, a reminder of vulnerability and the tragic cost of pride.